Monday morning, the futures are trading up 50. As you can see, we closed at around 1066, so up about 10 already this morning. And the party does continue here. We continue to rise, go up every day. We're met by gap ups on Monday. You've got gold trading around 1,007 this morning. You got the euro up at new highs 150. Everything is up this morning. We're just looking up. So you can see a nice V bottom again. We're going up on declining RSI though again. So momentum is waning once again, and we've gone up 50 points now already since the low 5 days ago. Again, we put in the low there on Monday, November 2nd, a week ago, and we're now trading, got as high as 1078.5 overnight. So big weekend for college football upsets. Iowa loses, Oregon loses, Alabama held on, Michigan loses again. The Rich Rod era continues to be unimpressive. He cannot beat anybody in the Big Ten. He can't beat anybody. So Rich Rod, I'm calling for your head again. Let's bring back the Jim Harbaugh train, as Jim Harbaugh and the Stanford Cardinal just rolled Oregon at its own game, which is no defense, all offense. And how Michigan loses every game with 36 points, I have no idea. Anyway, SPOO's trading again here, 1075.50. We are on the R1, which is right here, 1075 and change. Pivots down at 1070, so we are bullish here off the open. We hit the R2 and sold off already, which again was 1078.5 right on the button. If we get over R2 today, we could be looking for a run up to say 1087. If we can get over that 1080 area, I'd look for 1087. So that's it in a nutshell. Trade what you see, not what you think. Again, it doesn't matter that the economy is in the dumper. Well, according to the feds and the government, the recession that wasn't there is now over anyway. So again, the propaganda machine continues to heat up, and we will be looking for action this week. Again, we've got Veterans Day. Banks are closed on Wednesday. We're coming into 2 weeks until the Thanksgiving week. Again, this is kind of playing out how I suspected. We had our little 7-8% pullback and are now moving over to the soft side of the holiday season. So don't expect a pullback. I just don't think you're going to get anything deeper below 1,000 at this point unless we're hit with some news, which is possible. There's plenty of bad banking news that could come out if the market forces are still alive. Maybe we'll see some of that here. But watch the banks. Again, the banks have not been participating in this run. The BKX 42.84 came off from about 50, so those are off about 20%. Banks are still off 20% from the highs, even though the S&P here is near its highs. So that's an interesting divergence. I think you have to watch. VIX is back down to 24.19. Again, the euro back over 150 here. Pushing to the old highs. Nothing is making new highs again yet, but we're pushing everywhere here. This will be a telling week. See if we can make new highs across the board. So that's it. Long side right now looks to be the daily trade, and we'll see if we can get up over 1080 on a close. Have a great trading day, and we'll see you soon.